Greetings from MWN.com. Dr. M. Wilson, formerly Vice Principal and Head of Department of Commerce, Scott Christian College, Nagercoil, is delighted in presenting this session. Thank you. Please subscribe the channel MWN.com. Deduction, induction and abduction methods. Deduction and induction are two methods of reasoning that involve drawing conclusions from evidence. Deduction is a top-down approach that starts with general premises and moves to specific conclusions. Induction is a bottom-up approach that starts with specific observations and moves to general conclusions. Deduction and induction are both used in science, problem solving, and logical reasoning. They are often used together. Induction is used to generate ideas and theories, and deduction is used to test their validity. Deduction method. Deduction method uses general information to make specific conclusions. It is based on facts and widely accepted premises. It involves making inferences from general ideas. It can be used to test hypotheses. It is concerned with studying about some problem generally and make specific conclusion out of it. Deduction is generally defined as the deriving of a conclusion by reasoning. In simple words, deduction or the process of deducting is the formation of a conclusion based on generally accepted statements or facts. Examples. 1. One might deduce that she needs to go to the office tomorrow at 8:30 a.m. for a meeting because it has been already scheduled. 2. One may decide, all bananas are green in color, because she has only seen green bananas. 3. When one wants to travel to a place and by the train which depart at 9 a.m. from the station, he has to travel for about half an hour by bus to reach the railway station from his house. Hence deduce that he has to leave the house before 8 a.m., since there may be some delay for getting bus to railway station. Induction method. Induction method uses specific observations to make general conclusions. It is based on observations, often of a sample. It involves making generalizations from specific facts. Induction can be used to generate new ideas and theories. Induction is a method of reasoning involving an element of probability. In logic, induction refers specifically to inference of a generalized conclusion from particular instances. In other words, it means forming a generalization based on what is known or observed. Examples. 1. One might have induced that biryani in a hotel is tasty after observing that his friends are eating it or he observed that there is lot of crowds for the hotel. 2. One may be searching for facts to decide if all bananas are green in color. 3. In a hotel one observes that majority of customers in the hotel is consuming orange juice. After observing their attitude, he also ordered for orange juice, though he decided to consume apple juice. Abduction method. The abductive approach is a method of reasoning that involves making a logical assumption or best guess about the cause of an observed event. It's also known as inference to the best explanation. Abductive reasoning is a method of logical inference that involves using available information to find the most likely explanation for a set of observations. It's also known as abduction, abductive inference, or retrodiction. It starts with an observation or unexpected fact. It considers possible explanations. It chooses the most likely explanation. It can help people make decisions when information is incomplete. It can help develop new or existing theories. The abductive approach is used in many fields, like science, medicine, economics, and criminal justice. Examples. 1. A doctor uses a patient's symptoms to infer a diagnosis. 2. In courts a detective uses evidence to suspect a suspect of a crime. 3. An economist uses media reports to link economic trends to consumer spending.